Now guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the fourth method, that is the splitting the middle term. Now this is an important method you need to remember. So in the textbook they have not mentioned the heading as splitting the middle term. Instead of that, they are mentioned as the normal expression, that is x square plus px plus q. This will be the normal expression. So you need to remember here is that, see here, you might have studied, or I have discussed in the previous video about the identities, using the identities. So you have studied about this identity, right? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab, that is nothing but x plus a into x plus b, correct? You might have studied this. So this is basically the splitting of the middle term. This is the concept behind the splitting the middle term. Okay, now here when I compare this with this expression, I get to know that p is nothing but what? A plus bx, right? See here, x, a plus b will be equal to b. So I can write p equal to a plus b, correct? And q equal to what? Q equal to ab. Q equal to ab. Now let us see one example and try to understand what is the concept. Now if I take one example, x square minus 7y plus 12. Now compare this equation with this. If it is this form, then you proceed with this form, this method. Okay, now see here, x square, this is y square. Okay, coefficient you see, this is 1, this is also coefficient 1. Now p, instead of p they have mentioned what? Minus 7. So p is nothing but what? Minus 7. What is q here? Q is 12. Q is what? 12. Now we know that p equal to what? A plus b. So p equal to what? A plus b. And q equal to what? ab. That means a plus b equal to what? Minus 7, and ab equal to, oh, this is what? 7 minus 7, right? Q equal to what? 12. Okay, 12 equal to q. So that means ab equal to 12. Okay, now we need to find what? We need to find a and b and bring it in this form. Okay, that you have to remember. Now a and b we have to find out. That means when I multiply two numbers, unknown numbers, a and b, I should get 12. When I add those two unknown numbers, the same numbers, I should get minus 7. That numbers you have to find. So when I multiply these two, that means any number. Suppose I have to take, so always remember ab equal to 12. So ab is nothing but q. Q, ab are same. That is equal to what? 12. So we have to write the factors of 12. 12 I can write 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12, and 4 3s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. 6 factors are there, in which I have to take any one of them such that you will satisfy this condition as well as this condition. So here if I take 6 and 2, 6 2s are, I will get 12. But when I add 6 and 2, I should get what? Minus 7. I am not getting minus 7 when I take these two numbers. If I take 12 and 1, 12 ones are 12 I am getting, but 12 plus 1 is 13, not minus 7. So I should take this number. Okay, so these two numbers is not satisfying both the condition, so I will take 4 and 3. See here, 4 into 3 is what? 12. 4 plus 3 is not 7. It's 7, correct? It's 7, but it's not minus 7. So we should make minus 7. So how to do that? So I can write minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 7. And when I multiply minus 4 into minus 3, I will get plus 12. In that way you have to think. Okay, so I got a and b. So a I'll take it as minus 4 and b I'll take it as minus 3. Don't change the numbers. So when I satisfy, so minus 4 into minus 3 is what? 12. Minus 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 7. So I got the value. Now I have to just bring it in this form. Okay, so in place of a plus b x. I have to place this. Okay, fine. So I got a and b value. That's it. Now see here. Now this is y. Okay. So in place of this, see here x term is there, here y term is there. Now y square x, like that, plus a plus b. So instead of a plus b, what I will do? A is minus 4, b is minus 3 into what is that? Y is there. So y I place. In place of x, it is y. Okay. Plus what is ab here? That is 4 and minus 4 into minus 3, that is 12 itself. Correct. Now just elaborate this. So y into this thing, minus 4y, this into this, minus 3y plus 12. Got it? Now simple thing, simple formula. That means next simple. Okay, next what will be the next step? Now here same thing. What you have to do? You have to regroup. Regrouping method you have to apply here. That means you have to take two terms and take common factors from them. If I take these two terms, see here what happens. If I take these two terms, what I will get? I can take y common here, so I will get y remaining minus 4. Correct? Then if I take here minus 1 is there. If I take here 3 common, plus 3 I will take. Okay, plus 3 common, what is remaining here? Minus y. But I want what? See, I said you that time that regrouping, I want y minus 4 here also. If I take plus 3 here, I won't get I am getting minus y, not plus y. I should get the same term here. So what I should do here, I should take minus 3 common. So I'll get plus y minus 4. See, if I multiply minus 3 into minus 4, I'll get 12. Correct? Plus 12. So that is the thing. Now this 2. So y minus 3 into y minus 4 common. This 2 common, and this is the remaining thing. So this will be the answer. Okay, so simple thing. So you have to, once again I'll repeat what is splitting the middle term. So splitting, so basically splitting the middle term is nothing but what? See here, x square plus px plus q. Correct? This, if it is in this form, you can apply this formula. Now here coefficient of x is what? 1. X square is what? 1. Here instead of x square it is y square. Doesn't matter. So 1 I have taken. That means coefficient is already there. Then p, in place of p it is minus 7. So we have to compare this with this. So we know the formula, that is x square plus a plus b x into plus ab. So ab is nothing but q and a plus b is p. Correct? So p I can write it as a plus b, but in the question what is a plus b? That is minus 7. That means p is minus 7. That means a plus b is minus 7. What is q? Q is ab. Ab is nothing but 12. 12 is nothing but q. The same thing. Okay. Now we got that a plus b is minus 7, ab is 12. Now what you have to do? Now you have to find a plus b unknowns. That means a and b are the unknowns that you have to find. So you have to find that two numbers. What you have to do? ab we know 12. So from that 12 factors you have to find first. Whatever AB is you are getting, suppose 16 you are getting AB. So you have to find 16 factors. 16 number factors you have to find. So 12 is a number, you have to find the factors of 12. If I find the factor of 12, I was getting 4 into 3, 6 into 2 and 12 into 1, correct? So 12 into 1 is not possible because when I multiply I will get 12. But the thing is that when I add, I should get add or subtract, I should get minus 7. This is the second criteria. In this also 6 into 2 is 12, but 6 plus 2 or minus 6, anything, addition or subtraction, I am not getting 7, minus 7. But if I take 4 and 3, I was getting, see here, minus 4 minus 3 is what? Minus 7, and minus 4 into minus 3 is what? 12. I was getting the two criteria satisfied. So that is the thing here. Okay.